White money, who
The
White money, how far?
Now one night.
You dey sleep at all?
I don't sleep. There's no sleep for those who want to make it in life.
I know say since where you win Big Brother, you not get how you go don't sleep 8 hours.
You be perfect.
It not be possible.
Because I hardly sleep.
You not go fit sleep because you see that time when they say white money break down where they come put drip for a hand is expected. Because the truth is, you know what it mean on our own normal day, you wake up, you come radio in the morning, finish radio, go do shooting, finish shooting, go 1 or 2 meetings. When you reach us, you only knackered. Can't talk of white money when we say go do appearance here, and guess what? For all of them, you go smile.
Yeah. I don't know. Smiling is my portion. The most crazy thing is that even me and Winch for air, they fly now. They be like, "Oh God, you again? You know they red. And they fly me there for air like you straight up. And they fly 247. And they walk. They do to be famous, to be rich, not be hard thing. But to maintain another day. So man, I cannot sleep. I can't slumber.
You know the funny part. Funny part. You get one event where me and White Money supposed to do together for Worry. I can't me and my guys we put the events together, the owners, all of us did together. White Money supposed perform. I can't say me White Money come make you follow be host now. You know my brother talk. He said, once he don't drop this song, he na artist now. You remember that dog? He said, once he don't drop this song now, no, say him na artist now.
So they won't book me as MC. I said no, no book me as MC. Wait, my read this song. Book me as artist because I might not be the same.
I want to be the same thing. I laugh. I say this guy na proper ego man. White Money, somebody asked me, say, why you never open restaurant?
It's not easy. You know, what do people not understand? They say, I'm just 4 or 5 months out of the house.
You never. Not true.
Just 4 or 5 months. People think say that just 4 or 5 months out of the house. So if White Money open a restaurant, it has to be like White Money standard.
Bam.
And when it comes to hospitality, you need to look into the shit. Now me want cook food for 10,000 people. Where could they come? Because 10,000 be the minimum people we get every day. I know, and now waiting I talk now so it be.
Amen.
So got 10,000 daily. So we need space. If you have a space that you are not using anymore, you will not collect rent.
Stadium.
You will not collect rent. You want to sow a seed. Bomb. Investors will come. We need space. You need to do business inquiries. You need to investigate what kind of things. Get shares. I don't have that time now. I'm still a winner. I need to capitalize on appearance and disappearance.
You do selense, mad jam,
yes, so.
Good vibe, very good. Waiting give you the ginger to do this song to even start with.
I'm not gonna lie, the song I don't tell where I write them. You understand? But waiting really can inspire me because I got to find waiting I go drop when I come out. Waiting can inspire me to say, okay, this one at this song. Now when I sing and for us and Pere vibe to ram. As Pere vibe to ram, based on say Pere na Yankee person.
Yes.
For you to vibe to
that song, I say anybody go feel
okay,
vibe to
yeah. And he was singing it unconsciously. I said correct. Even Cross told me that. Even Cross was vibing to it. I said good. That means let me just drop it. Because at that moment coming out, I don't know what I'll meet. So I said let me just have one song in my head, and now I will drop. I already had the producer in my head, Mastercraft. I had everybody, Fioki and Celebable. They did their thing, and it came out wonderful.
Came out beautiful.
Yeah, we're going to 1 million views on YouTube. It's not easy.
But when you want to do the remix,
yes,
you can't run.
One album, abalagam.
Why you run? Go do the remix.
I got to run because I love my people.
And you know what? When I say White Money run, I say this guy is smart. This guy is smart. You know what it mean to get that country money?
Oh, they do see. I have gone to several.
You see where I put up that money.
You see, I've gone to several African countries. I'm a senator in Liberia. You understand? You know, and they use the Liberian dollars, which is equivalent to the US dollar, just 5 unit lower. You understand? I've gone to Ghana. I've gone to Cameroon. No, those people's monies are very. We got the point now. So when I want to do a feature, I say I don't want to do a regular feature that everybody can guess who they represent. I want to do something different. And that's how Tammy Moyo came up. Through her manager from Dubai, everything. But we'll go One Africa Fest. Now, so everything started for One Africa Fest. Ta 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 ta. Now that record now, I not ask for them. Now that record send out to me, say, listen to this. I had it, I said, this is the remix. I can't send them with they can't do everything. Do I never see her with my eye one on one.
You never see her.
No, we recorded separately. We shot the video separate. Everything we did, we never see. But we made magic. Thank God for internet and witchcraft. Because because they work hand in hand. You understand? You can't tell me say you sent file for here, reach America, tell you this no matter how almost. That's something about that. It's a modernized witchcraft. But we thank God for this.
But when I see the reviews, I said, no, this guy is too smart. He won't collect money for Nigerian money, collect money for that country money. Because when that guy they show where the song they blow for that side.
Yeah.
When she they perform, then go they pay her money. Where then go pay white money as well.
Well, and you know, I'll be very honest. Aside from the monetary aspect, you understand. When you see a good thing, appreciate
Yes,
a good
yes,
thing.
yeah, not be lying.
Tammy Moyo is too good. Like she took the song away from me. Oh, on up the music, the back and said, Tammy, Biko, release one verse for me, Biko. Please. She did when they sent the original, she did the verse 1 and verse 2. I said, okay, nobody chorus I go take no verse. No verse. It's my song.
She be why make it take on the
She's good. She is good. And I'm so happy I did that remix with her.
Yeah,
It's amazing. It came out really well.
And from what I did here, you want to do EP.
Hey! EP.
Now white money EP. And if it's an international EP.
My EP is strong. My EP no be for child. My EP is an ancestral MP. I've been an MP as an MP.
EP,